We often think of heaven as somewhere up in the clouds and that we'll spend eternity floating around singing, but that's not what the Bible implies. Instead, it speaks of the current heavens and earth being replaced by the new heavens and earth, which are physical, not spiritual. Earth will be both destroyed and renewed and restored. The first earth is a prototype for the new earth. There's continuity between old and new. The idea that the physical is bad and spiritual is good, and so the new heavens and earth can't be material or physical, come from philosophies like Platonism, Stoicism and Gnosticism, not the Bible. Isaiah speaks about the present earth wearing out and the heavens disappearing, then about the creation of the new heavens and new earth. Peter expresses a similar idea. He explains that the way to understand the future destruction of the earth is to understand the flood in Noah's time. The world at that time was deluged and destroyed, but it didn't cease to exist. In the same way, when we're told that the present heavens and earth are reserved for fire, it doesn't mean they'll not exist. Rather, it'll be restored and regenerated to form the new heavens and earth. In Revelation, it explains that the timing of this occurs after the millennial reign of Jesus. As part of this, there's the New Jerusalem, which comes down out of heaven to the new earth. It's described as a city with walls, foundations and gates, and its dimensions are given. The details given imply a real city, not a metaphor. A physical city on a physical earth, the new earth. Some details echo Isaiah's description of the future glory of Zion. Kings bring their wealth and splendour into the New Jerusalem. Jesus purchased people from every tribe and language and people and nation, so every race, national identity and culture will be represented, bringing what is good from each culture, but without racism or division, all worshipping God. The major difference between the millennium and the new heavens and earth is that there's no suffering, sin or death. We'll have a close relationship with God and He'll live among us. We'll see Him face to face. How wonderful and in part daunting to meditate on this prospect. Remember from my short video on the Feast of Trumpets that we'll be resurrected when Jesus comes back at the last trumpet. We'll see God with physical eyes in our resurrection bodies, which are physical, not like a ghost. Paul explains that our bodies will be like Jesus' resurrected body, which could be touched, and he ate to prove his physical nature. Job understood that he would have a physical resurrection, after which he'd physically see God, which he longed for. May we yearn for Jesus' return and our resurrection, like Job. Please like and subscribe for more Bible nuggets from a Hebraic perspective.